Hello everyone, welcome back to Bhojpuri Vertical. So today we are talking about the most popular and gorgeous Bhojpuri actress Kajal Raghavani. So today I edit a song and the song name is Tuaro Tua Lagela Chocolate, and my video is more smoother and sharper to the original one, and my video quality is 4K 60 FPS in vertical edit. So I covering all the angle of Kajal Raghavani in this video. So Twaro Twa Lagala Chocolate is a vibrant Bhojpuri song that has gained popularity for its catchy tune and playful lyrics. The song feature and the talented Kajal Raghavani, who is know the dynamic performance and engaging vocal style. This review will develop into various aspects of the song, including its musical compositions, lyrical content, visual presentations, and overall impact on the Bhojpuri music scene. Musically, the song is an exciting blend of traditional Bhojpuri sounds and contemporary beat. The instruments include a mix of flow instrument which gives it an authentic cultural feel, while the modern electronic element keep it fresh and appealing to younger audience. The rhythm is upbeat and infectious, making it a perfect track of celebrations and dance parties. The production quality is high with a polished sound that enhance the listening experience. The lyrics of Tuharo Tuha Lagela Chocolate are playful and flirtatious, encapsulating the essence of youthful romance. The song employs clever metaphors, the imaginary that resonate with listeners, making it readable and enjoyable. The playful banter in the lyrics reflects the light-hearted nature of love, which is common theme in Bhojpuri music. The Kajal Raghavani vocal deliveries add a layer of authenticity to the lyrics as she brings out the emotions effectively through her expressive singing. In terms of visual presentation, the music video for Tuharo Tuha Lagela Chocolate is colorful and energetic. It is a feature vibrant setting, lovely dance sequence, and eye-catching costumes that complement the song's upbeat nature. The contemporary choreography is dynamic, showcasing traditional dance style infused with modern elements which make it visually appealing. The combination of engaging visual and catchy music creates an impressive experience of the audience. The song's impact on the Bhojpuri music scenes cannot be understood. It showcases the evolving nature of Bhojpuri music, which have been incorporating modern elements and while staying true to its root. Tuharo Tuha Lagela Chocolate has contributed to growing popularity of Bhojpuri songs beyond regional boundaries, attracting listeners from various backgrounds. The infectious charm of the song has made it a favorite at weddings, parties, and cultural celebrations. In conclusion, Tuharo Tuha Lagela Chocolate is a delightful and engaging song that highlights the talent of Kajal Raghavani and the vibrancy of Bhojpuri music. With its catchy melody, playful lyrics, and captivating visual, it stands out as a celebration of love and joy. Whether you are a long time fan of Bhojpuri music or new and to genre, the song is sure to uplift your spirit and get dancing. It blend of tradition and modern element. So if you are enjoying this video, so please like the video and subscribe my channel